Good morning, you all, my dear children. This one is chapter 1 of your chemistry for class 10th, chemical reactions and equations. In this chapter, I have already told you about what is chemical reaction, what is chemical equation, what are reactants and what are products. Now I am going to teach you balancing of chemical reactions. How can we balance the given chemical reactions? To balance the chemical reactions, first of all, you see on both sides LHS and RHS what are the elements present. What are the elements present on both sides and what is their numbers. See here, suppose that this one is a chemical equation which is to be balanced. How can we balance this equation? See here, first of all you see that here hydrogen element is present, here also on RHS side, LHS and RHS, both sides hydrogen is present, but the hydrogen is here 2 in number, but here the hydrogen is only 1. Chlorine is also here 2 in number, but chlorine here is 1. Means how can we balance it? See here, to balance this, if we put 2 here, if we write here 2, then these all elements becomes twice. Means hydrogen also becomes twice 2 in number and chlorine also becomes 2 in number. Means on balancing you do not write like this. This one is incorrect. You are not able to write here anything. You can put any number here before this. Here no, you don't write anything. Take one more example, like N2 plus H2 gives NH3. How can we balance this? See here, nitrogen and hydrogen, here NH3. The number of atoms of nitrogen here is 2. Here the nitrogen atoms is only 1. What you can do? To balance this, you know that we can't put here any number. We write here 2. If we write here 2, then nitrogen becomes 2. Here also nitrogen becomes 2. Here also nitrogen becomes 2. Means nitrogen atoms becomes equal on both sides. Now we balance hydrogen atom. In LHS, left side, hydrogen is 2 atom. But here in right side, hydrogen is 2 3 6 in number. Then what can I do? To balance this 6 hydrogen atoms, we put here 3. When we write here 3, then hydrogen becomes 3 2 6. Here also hydrogen becomes 2 3 6. In this way, we balance the chemical equation. See one more example. H2 plus O2 gives H2O. How can we balance this? First of all, see on both sides what is balanced and which element is unbalanced. Hydrogen is 2 in number. Here hydrogen is 2 in number. Means hydrogen atoms are balanced. But oxygen atoms are unbalanced. Oxygen is 2, but here oxygen is 1. Then what will I do? You can't put here 2. This one is wrong. Means where you write 2, 2 is written here. If we put here 2, then oxygen becomes 2 and hydrogen becomes 2 2 4. Hence, to balance this, we put here 2, means hydrogen becomes 2 2 4 and oxygen becomes 2. In this way, you can balance any of the chemical equation given. First of all, match on both sides each atom, then on balancing number of atoms on both sides. Okay, try to balance given questions, given equations in your book. If any problem, then ask me. Okay, thank you.